Hey there, in this video I will show you exactly how to secretly screenshot Snapchat. First of all, open the Snapchat application. Go to Chats, open Chat with any of your friends. Open airplane mode of your phone and turn off the Wi-Fi. Now go to Snapchat and take a screenshot of the chat. Go back and tap on Chat Settings. Click on Clear from Chat Feed. Tap on Clear. It will not delete any saved messages. Turn off Snapchat and airplane mode. Turn on the Wi-Fi and again go to Snapchat. Open the chat of that person again and there is no notification of the screenshot. That's how you can take a screenshot secretly on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.